Dream bikes. Everybody's got one, at least sitting in their head as they're sitting around all day or working. Or if you remember back to your childhood bedroom, you had your dream bike as a poster on the wall, or maybe you have one now. But I want to understand more about what makes a bike a dream bike. So let's get into it. So then if you purchase your dream bike, does that mean it's just your motorcycle now instead of a dream motorcycle? Is it classified as a dream bike because it's made of unobtainium and costs far too much for you to afford? Or is it one of those things where they only produce 1 or maybe 10 or maybe 100 of those specific motorcycles, and unfortunately they sell out immediately? And KTM already did this.
People would do anything to bag a bargain.
Take, for example, my 690. A bike that I absolutely love, that I cherish, that I've put a lot of heart and soul and hard work into, but it's not necessarily a dream bike to me. I mean, it's become sort of a dream bike, and for a lot of my viewers and a lot of people in the comments, this is their dream bike, and obtaining that is absolutely awesome. But at what point do we then achieve a dream and then find the next dream? This little bag is the best damn investment. If you do the Rottweiler Intake, I swear you better spend that $60 frickin' on it. He liked it. Front wheels on there, rear wheels on there, kickstands up. I think we're ready to go. So let's try to answer this question today, and let's figure out what my actual dream bike is, and maybe it is shared with yours. We're headed to Motorworks in Chicago, and I'm taking the highway, and it should take me 47 minutes, and I get to wear a hoodie today when it's 88 frickin' degrees out, because I just got some new tattoos on this arm. Come on, go! You know, you have a quick shifter, you can use it if you want to. Oh, Lamborghini shine, look at it go! Whee! Are you coming over? Are you not coming over? What are you doing? We just got our turn signal. Do I slow down and ride with you guys, or do I just go past? I think I'm just gonna go past. So I'm going to do some questionable things here. And if there are no police officers, then I will keep moving. Yeah, if you want to go, by all means go. Nice spot to break down. I mean, you got shade at least, right? I guess I should be an organ donor. That's embarrassing. Man, that was fucked up.
Where am I?
You're in Bed Bath & Beyond, sir. I was just watching you sleep. You look like you're having a crazy dream.
What?
Well, that was absolutely awesome. A huge thank you to Bob at Motorworks Chicago for that. That dealership, I have never been. That was so cool. They've got a lot of cool bikes. They've got even Vespas. They've got the Royal Enfields, I mean Ducati, and of course, BMW. And I think I'm starting to understand why my dream bike is a BMW S1000RR. Now, it may differ from the rest of you, but for some reason, I love it. I don't know if it's just clout chasing or what, but it feels amazing. It's actually quite comfortable. I just want to ride one now. I mean, yeah, it's got a stupid amount of power. There's so much technology built into it. It's damned expensive. but it looks good. And it's just one of those things where you kind of sit on it, the seat's a little hard, you're thinking, can I ride far on this? Am I gonna kill myself? Am I gonna flip this thing over? Could I even ride it on the track? And blah, 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 blah. But at the end of the day, you're just kind of in awe of the bike itself. And you just, every time you look at it, you just rethink, oh, look at that thing, look at it. Holy smokes, that is beautiful. Oh, it's just too good. Yeah, I don't have my cup holder. Oh, is that a prison? Damn, that is a prison. Oh, okay. Fellow motorcyclist. Didn't look like he fell. I think he just got a ticket. With that, I will probably... No. Come on, bro. Damn, people just don't look, do they? Like, why was I even using my horn? Oh my God, you dumbass. Oh God. So after going and seeing one of my dream bikes in person, sitting on it, just experiencing everything but riding, I think I start to understand exactly what a dream bike really is. It's not the specific model, it's not the price, it's not the availability, it's not the limited edition-ness to it. It's what that specific motorcycle makes you feel. And if you feel just, it's hard to describe, an overwhelming love and appreciation and excitement, just a clear awe when you first see that specific motorcycle, it kind of develops that dream state to it. And I feel like that could happen with any bike. And it could be an MT-09, it could be a BMW S1000RR, it could be the KTM 690 SMCR. But whatever bike it is, when you have that feeling, when you have that raw love, that passion, that just wow factor to it every time you look at it, I think that's really what makes a dream bike a dream bike. Let me know what your dream bike is in the comments down below, and remember, keep riding.